This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a very quick and super simple soup that all kids love. This is chicken and corn soup made easy.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
Chicken and corn soup is one of those recipes that my kids will ask for whenever we go to an old-style Chinese restaurant. It's really simple to make at home. Here's how. We will need 400 grams of frozen corn. Put half the corn in 1.5 liters of chicken stock. Blend the corn with an immersion blender. You can also use a normal blender or even a potato masher. There will be some corn shells floating on top after blending. Remove them and add the rest of the corn. This is 300 grams of chicken breast that I have cut up into small little strips. Marinate the chicken with 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Put the chicken in the soup and bring it to a boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Stir to loosen up the chicken. Meanwhile, prepare the slurry to thicken the soup. Mix 3 tablespoons of corn flour to about 1/4 cup of water. Turn off the heat and stir in most, not all, of the slurry. If you pour the slurry in when the soup is still boiling, it will cook too fast and you'll end up with blobs of glue. It will look like boba tea gone wrong. Turn the heat back up. Keep stirring till it comes to a boil and becomes nice and thick. If it's still too thin, add more of the slurry. To make the ribbons of egg, beat up 3 eggs. Now, slowly stir the soup and drizzle the eggs into it. Season the soup with salt and pepper. Different types of chicken stock have different levels of saltiness, so adjust your seasoning accordingly. Garnish with spring onions and a dash of sesame oil before serving. This is chicken and corn soup made easy.
Please like, share and subscribe to my daddy's channel for more interesting videos.